Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete a file from Google Drive in mobile phone. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Google Drive on your phone or your tablet. Just tap right here and here you can see a number of the files in my Google Drive app. Select the file you want to delete and tap the three dots icon beside it, and here you can see, let me open that folder, and here you can see one of my video. Just tap right here on the three dots. If I tap right here, so this file will be deleted, and here you can see my folder is empty now. So this is how you can easily delete your video or your photo from Google Drive. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.